Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 16, of course, so welcome. It's 20 to 11 right now, and I've now gotten ready for the day. I know this, I feel like this morning went so fast. This day, I just don't even know where the day went already. I got up like 7:30 this morning, but I went back and lie down, and then I was watching a movie on the phone, on the bed, being with my child, of course. And I didn't even eat breakfast yet, but now I'm going to leave to go to the grocery, get some stuff, come back, eat breakfast, and then start school. I mean, I can't believe I start my day so late, but what you gotta do, right? But yeah, we have a lot of schoolwork to finish for tomorrow. I know it's a lot. Hi guys, what's up? Yeah, I just have like real traffic right now. I don't even know why it has so much traffic, but I think it's because so not stereotyping, and I don't mean this offensive, but I feel like, okay, a lot of people, anyway, you know how people are generally last minute. I mean, like, this is the weekend right before Christmas, and I think a lot of people are just making like Christmas groceries and doing all the last minute stuff. That's why it have like so much traffic. I swear I was gonna go in one grocery, and then it had so much congestion with the cars like turning and people reversing all the thing. So I just passed it and went to the other grocery because that was much more easier and accessible, because I've seen pretty much better. So it's 10:05 and in the night, of course, and I've completely finished one of my assignments, and I finished my online quiz, as well as, well, I still have to finish preparing like just some last minute touches for my presentation tomorrow. Just like to finish, like write some notes on my cue cards, and you know, like know what I'm gonna say, bring it to the front of my head, because I already know my thought process and I know what I'm talking about, so I just have to like bring it to the front of my head. And then next thing is to just study for Wednesday's exam. So I'm going to do some studying now, and then I'll just like knock out after that, of course. Which is literally on the bed waiting for me already. What else? That's about it so far. And I see that the rain is going to fall, so sleep tonight is gonna be super awesome. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 18. So I got up around a little before 7, and my alarm went off like 7:05. Got up before my alarm today. Yeah, so let's assess the situation for today. So basically, I have class for 2 to 5, and I have my final paper due, as well as my final presentation, which is super awesome. Yes, I can't even wait. Like, I'm so excited for that, so I could get more into like some more Christmassy stuff, and you know, lessen down on focusing on some school a little bit. And yeah, that's about what we have today. So I just need to, like, you know, get up, finish up stuff for that presentation in terms of like preparation, getting my outfits, getting my notes. So outfit, we've got blazer, green camisole, because it's Christmas, so you know, green, and black pants. Wow, what is this? So I am going to go to school a little bit earlier. The presentation starts at 2. It's 8 minutes to 12. I'm gonna reach there for 12:30 to start preparing myself, start working on stuff, and print the paper that is due for today as well. So yeah.
Without angels, that is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah, and I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here.
Right, so I'm going to have lunch because I go upstairs in the library to do some work because it wouldn't make sense to go to do work on a hungry stomach unless let me show you what we have for lunch. We have rosemary chicken and then like potato salad and fresh salad. Good stuff. So it is 18 minutes past 7 in the night. Right now I'm working on a I'm working on a group project with one of my friends right now. We video chatting to do this online. We do this on a Google Docs because the presentation today, now it was good, it went well, but apparently we used 2 aspects of what we were supposed to focus on, and according to my lecturer, she said we were too ambitious, and then we kind of like, because we used 2, we touched on the surface of the 2, but we didn't go fully in depth with either one. So what we're going to do is narrow down to 1 and then write a paper on it, which we are going to email to her tonight. So that's what we're trying to work on tonight. And when I was coming home, I wouldn't lie, I was feeling so demotivated and just like tired and exhausted. I have like my head is like soaked with stuff because I was getting a headache, but I'm a little bit better. Finishing up that, and then after
she get my sorrel, I don't want that.
yeah, that's
She get my black cake, I don't want that. She get my fried egg, I don't want that. From the bottom of my heart, your phone is a work of art, so just bring out